U.S. considering Australian drone for next-gen air dominance program. The U.S. is considering buying the Australia-made MQ-28 Ghostbat drone to pair with the next-generation air dominance (NGAD) fighter, U.S. Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall revealed to Breaking Defense. Kendall told the outlet that the two countries are having preliminary discussions about the potential purchase of the Boeing Defence Australia drone as a risk reduction mechanism for the program's drone capability. "I think there's a lot of mutual interest in working together, and we're going to be sorting out the details over the next few weeks," Kendall said, adding that they might consider a derivative of the drone. Royal Australian Air Force Chief Air Marshal Robert Shipman echoed the Secretary's sentiments, saying that adding another country would accelerate drone production and larger volume would bring down the unit price. The Australian government has budgeted $600 million to purchase 7 Ghostbat drones in the next 2 to 3 years, in addition to 6 purchased in 2021. The aircraft took its maiden flight in February 2021, and 3 are at various stages of induction into the Royal Australian Air Force. The loyal wingman's role means the aircraft has a reconfigurable nose, allowing it to carry a variety of payloads depending on the mission. Australia's Air Force is looking to fly the platform in tandem with manned aircraft, such as the F-35A, F/A-18F Super Hornet, and EA-18G Growler electronic attack aircraft in air combat, reconnaissance, and surveillance missions. According to the drive, the Ghostbat could also be used in a protector role for slow-moving high-value aircraft such as KC-30 tankers and E-7 Wedgetail airborne early warning aircraft. NGAD fighter enters development. Meanwhile, the U.S. Air Force recently announced that the classified 6th-generation fighter had entered the development stage, including the commencement of engineering and manufacturing work. The aircraft is the centerpiece of the NGAD program, which includes a fleet of drones flying alongside the fighter. Announcing the development, Kendall said that the fighter, considered the successor of the F-22, would feature new WRSRS and sensor systems. He said the aircraft is expected to be ready by the end of the decade. Fighter design likely chosen. The Air Force has been conducting flight tests on an experimental full-scale NGAD fighter model since 2020. USAF Acquisition Chief Will Roppers said that the test flights have broken records and that he was impressed by the integration of digital technology into the real world. "What we did was an experimental prototype," Kendall explained. "We basically had an X-plane program which was designed to reduce the risk of some of the key technologies that we would need for a production program." The manufacturer hasn't been revealed yet, but aerospace analyst Richard Abulafiev said Kendall's announcement suggests the Air Force might have settled on a single design by a single contractor. Among the likely candidates are Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Northrop Grumman. If you enjoy content like this, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this video because I appreciate all your support.